Dear Audrey, happy birthday. Enjoy all the fabulous fun of being 4. Love, Aunt Libby and Uncle Dean.
For my eat, Mommy, for my eat.
That is for your eat.
Oh. Please open. It's time for me to open it up.
That's for your eat. I have to cook it.
I cook it.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook.
I cook my mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese, Mommy.
You want to have mac and cheese? We're gonna have chicken soup.
Oh.
We're gonna have chicken soup. We're gonna have this chicken soup for the kids. Since I hope you spilled your apples.
That's mine. That's mine. Can't come on. That's mine.
Yeah, Aunt Libby is really good at putting the string. So is Uncle Dean, tying ribbons like
This is
this.
for your eat too, honey.
They are very good at that.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, open it up.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Right here.
Let's see what Audrey's
See Hello Kitty.
Oh!
What? You don't like Hello Kitty, do you?
No, I don't think I'd like Hello Kitty.
No. No way. No.
Oh, that is so.
More presents inside.
Really?
What? There's more presents inside? That's crazy.
No way.
Can I see? Can I see your new lunchbox?
That looks kind of vintage.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That is so cool.
What was inside?
Presents.
Oh, hair clips. Hold them up, let me see.
It rained. It got my umbrella.
Oh,
wet.
wow. Do you like them?
Let's put one in. Audrey got something rain. And look, she got new hair bows.
There's more.
More. There's more presents in there? This is crazy.
Peas. I put my peas. I put my peas. I put my peas. I put my peas. That's my
No way.
That is so cute. Wow.
I bet
Audrey.
somebody knew that you like Hello Kitty.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm recording this, Audrey. So what do you want to say to Aunt Libby and Uncle Dean?
Thank you.
Yay.
Do you like it?
Thank you. Oh yes.
Audrey, do you like your presents? Yeah.
Let's put one of those hair bows in. Which one? Pink one? Oh, look at how cute that is. Okay, this one? Oh, I like that.
Smaller shapes can stack up bigger shapes.
I need to like move. Move.
Oh, very nice. Now hold up your lunchbox one more time.
One sit up.
Nice.
No.
Awesome. You can take it to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Mom, I can carry there are lots of green Barbies for nap time, so I can just put my small Barbie in here.
Oh, Barbie in a lunchbox. Wow. That is
And
pretty.
does that with our Rapunzel.
Ah, pretty smart thinking.
That is really
I guess it could be a
fancy.
purse. It doesn't have to be a lunchbox.
Yeah.
That's like the new thing, right? You have like a little lunchbox purse.
Sure.
No, I want it just
Little
a little
sack.
lunchbox.
Okay.
Snack
Snack,
box.
yeah, snack box. Nice. I like that handle.
Very fancy. Wow, thank you.
Wow, good job.
Awesome.
All right.